Hi, and welcome back to Basement Backgammon. This is my second video for this channel, and in this video we are going to highlight some very old items called backgammon matches. No, this is not matches like when you play other people in backgammon. These are basically plastic matchsticks, as you can see here, that were used before doubling cubes became popular, or even invented, for keeping score in backgammon. So I'm not 100% sure when these items were available for sale, but my best guesstimate would be the 1920s, because I know from Albert Stegg's wonderful research on the doubling cube that doubling cubes were invented in the late 1920s and popularized starting from around 1929 through now, essentially. And when doubling cubes became the norm, backgammon matches fell out of favor. So these are very, very rare, very difficult to find, especially in a full set. This set I got off of eBay. I think I paid about $175 for it. Features a green leather, and this is real leather case with gold filigree printing on it, kind of old-timey Art Deco font. It says Backgammon Matches. And down here, U.S. Patent Office trademark registered. However, I do not know about the trademark database. I've never looked this up before. So if anyone out there can look up the trademark for these, I would be super, super interested. I have no idea who produced these. There is no maker's mark on this of any sort. Maybe it was here and the leather came off at some point. But let's open these up and you can see what they look like. This is, I'm not even sure if this is a full set, but this comes with 9 blue pins or matches. Comes with 9 red ones. Take one out. And it comes with 31 of the white or cream colored. Now there is some confusion as to how exactly these were used on a backgammon board. And there are a couple of schools of thought of this. And one of them is that they were used, the cream ones were used as single numbers. So this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3, etc. for point keeping. And you could use the reds, let's say, to indicate the 10 spots, and the blues to indicate the hundreds. So, for instance, this would be 113, either dollars or points, or however you were keeping score. So maybe if you were playing for a penny a point, you might keep score this way, and you would keep these matches on your side of the board. And as you lost money or points to the other person, you can give those matches to them, or you could somehow use all of the matches to keep track of it and then settle up at the end. That is the understanding of how these were used. And as you can imagine, this is probably pretty difficult because there's, 50-something of these in a package, and they're quite small, and then maybe will get lost. So who the heck knows how they were used? I'm not exactly sure. This is a very interesting tidbit of backgammon history. If you want to read more about this, you should go to the New England Backgammon Club site. I will post it in the comments, and you should take a look at the history page that Albert Stegg has put together, because it's quite fascinating about not only the backgammon cube, but about these matches and what came before the cube. So that's the whole thing. These are the backgammon matches in my collection. I hope you enjoyed it. See you later.